nooks and corners of everything. But also they says that the people who do their own research are biased. They have a biases, that is there. Research should not come under the biases, but I am pretty sure every researchers have a biases. Every as a human has a biases, but which is very not ethical, I would say. But there is always a biases even in the research. So people usually they say that you shouldn't do your own research and all topic and all, but I don't agree. Anyways, coming to this, you have the ways like against coming to the secondary data. From where do you collect your secondary data? You will be in the books, journals, reports, newspapers, whatever existing databases, whatever is existing done by someone or the other, you're going to collect. And very very important, even when I started my data collection after my synopsis was passed, I started collecting my data, and that began from secondary. Though people say, right, the primary data come before secondary data, but always as a researcher, your first and foremost things is to do a collect a secondary data. Then only you'll understand, right? You'll read something, then only you'll build your interest. And I would like to tell you an example of my own story. Before I began the research on Rohingya, I was about to do on the human trafficking. You know, human trafficking, considering the case study in Thailand. Thailand has a lot of human trafficking issues, and I'm pretty sure you would understand what is trafficking, human trafficking, right? It is like a kidnapping kind of a thing, which is very inhuman to be speaking about. But that particular research I wanted to do, but it has a very gray areas. Going to, I had many of the like limited access to that, and my supervisor did not agree because he that say that there is a gray area. When you go, it has to be under the group research, team research. If you do a team research, you can go into team, and then you can go and then get it into. Otherwise, doing a single research in this without actually having a good funding, you can't go into such what to say, human trafficking issues, right? So why I started developing this particular two interests, whether it is Rohingya or whether it is human trafficking case in Thailand, because I had some of the data, and which is in the form of secondary. I was reading articles, I was reading journals, and I developed. I'm neither a person who is staying in Thailand, I'm neither a Rohingya, right? But then I actually developed this particular two topics, which is very distant from me. And I prefer this kind of a topic makes you more independent, because you don't know anything, but you started reading and then you decided to conduct a research, right? So I think secondary data, without the secondary data you cannot even build your primary data. Okay, and before I began with the Rohingya research, I actually collected more than 200 articles and numerous articles. And in the beginning when I did my MPhil, I was feeling very very difficult to find literature on Rohingya, but now enormous thousands of articles are laying in the this thing. Okay, and when the UN started doing a lot of research, Human Rights Watch also there's okay. So and under the an independent researcher too. Now coming to the tertiary data, many people would have heard about primary and secondary, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys doesn't know about like tertiary data. What do tertiary data do? They actually study and read and the resources, they take the resources and information from things which are actually compiled from both the kind of secondary and primary. So they say the tertiary data is data that compile or digest the other sources. Simple, in the simplest form I've taken out, that can be dictionary. I studied my 11th and 12th standard in English. I'm sorry, English, I'm saying, in science background, science stream. In our Indian educational systems, we have been division into the three categories of science and humanities, which is arts, and then on and the commerce. Okay, and then I did from science. After doing my science 10 plus 2, I decided to jump to humanities, and it was very difficult. I don't know what is political science actually. What does the polity talk about? And you know what I did? There is an Oxford encyclopedia about political science. In future, I expect that from you guys there would be an encyclopedia on Rohingya, on the Rohingya research, or maybe in the refugees. You can put your own. You can study your own You can make your own encyclopedia. You can talk about your food culture, you can talk about your life, you can talk. This is an idea I'm giving you. In future, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to do better, because coming here, reaching till here, an interest of curiosity of learning about research would definitely make you end somewhere in a better. Okay, I believe so, and I wish you all in that way. So you can make your own encyclopedia and dictionary guidelines and manuals. These are tertiary. Okay, this doesn't come in the form of article. It has, I'm pretty sure you might have seen the dictionary. It also simplify. If you don't understand what is economics, political science, there is an encyclopedia of a particular subject. They tell you what is electoral process. They tell you what is plebiscite. Okay, they tell you what is genocide. All these things. So steps of data collection. Under this is very easy. You can just read it out and then go about, like, first what you should do: review and compile. As CFC, I didn't even know that I have written this in the series, but before going to the primary, there is always secondary which has to be compiled. Review and compile the secondary source of information. Plan and design the data collection instruments to gather the primary information. After reading the secondary, you'll also have an idea that how to go about my primary. It was very difficult for me to get the information from Rohingya people, from, because I don't know where I'll get it, how to get it, right? And moreover, refugee faces a lot of problems, so I don't know whether I'll be able to access, right? This is a problem. It was there. And then after this, you'll collect